Okay guys, welcome to a new vlog for 2024. We are here at Glorietta, heading to Glorietta 2 for the Ray-Ban Meta Glass Roadshow. This is the debut of the Meta Glasses here in the Philippines. So we are going to head over to Vision Express and get all the details. See you in a few minutes. Okay guys, so just to catch you up, the Ray-Ban Metas were released in October of last year in the States and many of the other countries. We've been waiting for them to debut here in the Philippines. So yeah, this is our first chance, and you can already see the signs are up. Vision Express, try on the new Metas. So anyway guys, we're gonna get a look and we'll be back with some details.
That's a
Video.
You can see it in the mirrors.
It's recording you.
That's the exact same frame. Keeps recording, or do you have to?
Well, it'll record up to a minute video, but if you're streaming, it will stream. If you're live streaming on Insta or Facebook.
Oh, like you're going live?
Yeah. So you can go live and then you can select from the phone or the glass, and you can switch back and forth between the two. Alright guys, so we are here at the roadshow and we just got a quick demo on the glasses. So evidently the glasses right now are for pre-order only in the Philippines, but they are coming out in 2 to 3 months. The main thing is, you guys, you can come here and try it out. I took some sample videos I'll put in the in our post, but yeah, overall it's really intuitive, super easy to use, and yeah, so for those of you who don't know, this is the Wayfarer version. They do have the other version available in the States, the Headliner. So there is actually 2 versions. I don't know when Headliner will be available. But for now, you can come test out the Wayfarer. And yeah, guys, so hopefully we'll get some more information soon. But you can come down to Glorietta's Roadshow. There are a couple other roadshows in the works. You can check with Vision Express for the details on those. So yeah, we're just gonna sign off for now, and hopefully we'll be getting a pair soon. So talk to you then.
Mama Pig Productions.